the moment, and I mean the moment, when I completed my first large canvas splatter paint with Jackson Pollock. The angels and the archangels got in on the art action. And I mean, by the time I completed my first splatter paint, I was dreaming in splatter paint design. I couldn't wait to get my hands on my next large canvas splatter paint. And I felt so confident about it. I'd already invested in a 6-foot by 18-foot cotton canvas that I was planning on splicing into for the double 6-foot by 9-foot canvases. But my spirit team had other plans for me, because shortly after I completed my first splatter paint, Pollock stage exited left, he vanished, Finito was gone, and the angelic squad that had swooped in began giving me instructions. I was disoriented, even disappointed. I miss my buddy Jackson. But the dealio with Spirit Team is that even though things might seem nuts, they do have a plan. And I had to trust that plan, especially as this second large canvas was happening at the same time that my spirit team was driving home the point of color, mediumship, channels, and healing for my audience. I was swimming in this stuff so much I couldn't see my own forest for my own trees. And as far as my next large canvas was concerned, that's about when the Archangelic realm was booming to me about blue and blue and blue and blue. And I was like, okay, I got it, it's blue. And that's about when the color, mediumship, healing aspect of this second canvas began to sink in. The angels showed me deep, deep blue colors, like deep ocean blue and deep sky blue. And then they showed me to the most pale blue, even almost a whitish blue. And their message was, Dana, paint waves and waves and waves of dark blue into light blue and light blue into dark blue. By the time they were done channeling the images and energy to me, I got it. I knew that this was not about making it complicated. I knew it was about being in complete immersion in the color blue that had something to do with color mediumship healing and my exploration of allowing the rhythm of very dark blue to very light blue flow through me onto the canvas. So that's what I did. At first I wasn't sure, but once I put down a few layers, I got it. I felt the difference in me when I just looked at the tide of different shades of blue. Something in me shifted and calmed and activated, and I felt better. And so through the creation of this canvas, as the angels have guided me in the waves and colors of blue, I can't help but think that this piece is not only about the color and the art of blue, but it's also about creating a healing shift, especially for the throat chakra, because the throat chakra is blue. It's the home of being seen, being heard, listening, observing, as well as value and worth and identity. All colors are important, but blue could not be more important for activating being seen and being heard in value. And so this canvas that I simply began as blue has become so much more with the waves and the energy and the angels that are coming through it.